Ice warning. Yep. It has been quite some time since I recorded, and it is freezing cold outside. It snowed yesterday and the roads are still a bit icy, so I'm going to stick to the dry roads. But you can see all the slush on the side of the road. Not exactly great, so I'm really just going to take my time up this hill. You probably can't see, but right in the distance past the greenery there is just a blanket of snow. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. And I left my ignition on the whole time. Good news is I am warm. I have a thermal liner, a t-shirt, a hoodie, and my Alpinestars moto jacket. So 4 layers and I'm warm, and it's pretty cold out. I mean, the wind chill is probably like 2 degrees at the moment. Looks like there's no bikes here. The only bike here. Of course. Tea, scone. Oh yeah, it's hot. Oh no! I guess I didn't tighten the mount, because when I stopped it was pointing at the sky. Pretty cool. That's so cool. Ah! It was on this. That's a rock solid, but it was actually the mount in here that failed on. I'm keeping my helmet on because it's cold. It's freezing. It's just, yeah, flying the drone with No gloves. I was coming up here and then two people stopped me and one person said there's a traffic jam. The other guy says I might not make it. I'm just gonna stop up here. Nice of him to give me a heads up though. I'm unsure about that traffic jam. So let's move off and get the heated grips working and get warm again. Beautiful though, isn't it? Story with the traffic jam, the guy said. Okay, I can turn here. Oh my god, I love it up here. I'm so happy I've got waterproof boots again. Whoa, there's a hole there. Okay. And we're going home now officially. Here's a boil. Few boils. Oh my god. 6 boils. 7. 8. 9. Okay, that's a group. 12. God, I want to stay out here all day. Have my bloody NCT for my car. Look at that. Oh, what a day for motorbiking though. It's so nice out. What a day. It's just good for the soul. The rain might turn to snow and sleet pretty quick, you see. So it'd be nice to get out of it. Ooh, I don't know. Some days you just go out and you just love it. You know, you love every second of it. That's just like today. And Sugarloaf again. It's always looking at me, even when I want to get fuel. The end of the rainbow is right there. That was a great day. I wasn't even going to head out, but I just decided to go for it then. And some days you just get out at it. Been very busy lately with work and doing a master's degree and everything else. It's nice to just have no agenda, head out for the day. And the best part about getting home is the doggy. Look at him. Come on. Hello. 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 This way. Pluto. Come back. Come back.